Hello everyone, and welcome back to SolaOasis. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been getting a lot of buzz lately: detox and detox cleanses. What's it all about? Let's find out together.
Perfect.
First things first, what does detox even mean? Detox stands for detoxification, which is all about removing toxins from the body. The idea is that over time, our bodies accumulate harmful substances from pollution, stress, and processed foods. Detox cleanses are here to help give our bodies a break and support their natural cleansing processes. Why detox cleanses are important? Our modern lifestyles expose us to various stresses daily. Over time, this can lead to the buildup of toxins in our bodies. Detox cleanses can help remove these harmful substances and improve overall well-being. Our liver, kidneys, lungs, and skin already work hard to detoxify our bodies. A detox cleanse supports these organs, giving them the time and resources to work more effectively. Ginger and lemon, the power duo. One of the most popular and effective detox methods involves ginger and lemon. Let's talk about why these two are so powerful. Ginger, with its spicy kick, contains compounds like gingerol, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps boost metabolism and promote circulation, aiding in toxin removal. Lemon, on the other hand, is packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and supports the immune system. The simple ginger-lemon detox recipe. Here's a simple yet powerful detox recipe. Mix freshly grated ginger and lemon juice in a glass of lukewarm water. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach to gently wake up your body and kickstart your metabolism. It's a great way to start your day with a boost of energy and vitality. Besides ginger and lemon, there are plenty of other ingredients that can enhance your detox routine. Turmeric, for example, contains curcumin, which is great for reducing inflammation and supporting liver health. Mint can soothe the stomach and aid digestion. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help with metabolism and fat burning. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are also fantastic for their high antioxidant and fiber content. Practical tips for a successful detox. Ready to start your detox journey? Here are some practical tips to ensure success. 1. Preparation is key. Plan your detox in advance. Know what ingredients you'll need and have them ready. 2. Start gently. If you're new to detoxing, start with a one-day cleanse and gradually increase the duration. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water along with your detox drinks to help flush out toxins. Before we move on to the last two tips, if you've enjoyed the video so far, I'd love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. For more topics like this, subscribe to this channel and activate the bell to not miss any of the videos. And now, we continue with the video. 4. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel. If you're tired or weak, rest and have healthy snacks. 5. Self-care. Detoxing is also about mental well-being. Take time for relaxation, whether it's through yoga, meditation, or a warm bath. Conclusion: your path to better health. Let's summarize everything once again. Detox cleanses can be a fantastic way to give your body a fresh start. Whether you choose the ginger-lemon cleanse or other methods, remember to listen to your body and adjust according to your needs. Combining natural ingredients with mindful eating, staying hydrated, and regular exercise can make a big difference in your overall health. And with that being said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SolaOasis for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.